Let's start designing social media post. Bring main object and place it in right side. Now bring texture background and make it opacity low. Make a circle with red color. Make a copy of circle and put behind the main object. Write a text with font Bodoni mount. Write another text with font Franklin Gothic Demi. Bring a logo and place it on right side corner. Make a copy of logo and place it behind object with low opacity. Make a small black color line with line tool. Write another small text and place dot along with lines. Make a rectangle in black with low opacity and put blur effect on it. Thank you for watching.